Githurano giki kirahaneka thiko nini thutha wa kamite ya IEBC kurikiriria mihango ya uthurimi wa thairi cia kura ya maoni na kwandikira mbunge ciothe cia kaunti makorwo makimiaririria ihinda-ini ria mieri 3. Na ukorwo magavana makoretwo makigucania na thirikari nene ni undu wa kwaga kurekereria mbeca cia kaunti, kambeni ya ucenjia wa gatiba kugerera BBI waya gukorwo niguo ukamura muhotani.
Whoever becomes the chairman of the COG is a person who gets to move around the country a lot, is a person who gets to get involved in the daily running of the COG and interact with governors on a personal level, understand the politics on their county governments and understand what dynamics are affecting what.
Kuhituka kwa riendekithia ria watho ria gucenjia icunje imwe cia gatiba ukagacira wahitukio ni mbunge cia kaunti itanyihire 24 na gatagati ga Kieleweke na Tangatanga uria ugacinda githurano giki ahota gukorwo na uge wa uria ndereti ya BBI igatwarithio mbunge-ini cia kaunti.
So this is a process that should not be taken lightly. It's a process that I believe the handshake is going to invest very heavily on.
You know how much influence that governors do have over members of county assemblies. Right now the bill, the signatures have just been approved, meaning that the bill is now supposed to be discussed within county government, county assemblies, where now MCAs are tasked with either passing or rejecting the same.
Governor wa Kameme Wycliffe Oparanya nĩarĩkĩtie itĩna rĩake rĩa kerĩ harĩ ũtongoria wa Kanju ĩno.
Fortunate if the control of the COG is taken away from the hands of the government, but then that does not hinder the moving forward or the execution of government agenda across the counties.
Arĩa maramereria matagiturwo gĩkĩ nĩ Governor Salim Mvurya, Ani Waiguru, Jackson Madago na Martin Wambora, no Kivutha Kibwana ni eheretie. Giturwa kia munini wa muikariri kiguciriirie Governor Anyang' Nyong'o na James Ongwae kiria kwa ihinda riri giikarirwo ni Governor Mwangi wa Iria. Aria maretha gite kia muhuri mucarica ni hamwe na Governor John Lonyangapuo, Stephen Sang na Muthomi Njuki.
And I want to thank you and welcome you.
Gerifotera Kameme TV, Jeta Gitau wa Wanjikũ.